What if a single $18 billion deal could change the price of your morning coffee forever? That's happening right now, and here's why it matters to your wallet. Keurig Dr Pepper. Yes, the US beverage giant is buying JDE Peet's. It's the company behind brands like Peet's Coffee, L'Or, and Do Egberts. Now, here's the real question for you. Will this mega deal make your coffee cheaper or more expensive? Stick around because the answer isn't as simple as you think. Let's start with the headlines. Keurig Dr Pepper just announced it's acquiring JDE Peet's for $18 billion, making this the largest corporate acquisition in Europe in the past 2 years. Think about the brands JDE Peet's owns: Peet's Coffee, L'Or, and Do Egbert, brands you probably see on supermarket shelves worldwide. Now here's where it gets interesting. After the acquisition, Keurig plans to split itself into 2 separate publicly traded companies in the US. One fully dedicated to global coffee. One focused on refreshment beverages. But why split? It's all about focus. By separating the businesses, investors get more transparency and the company can move faster in each market. This is a quick question for you. Do you prefer specialty premium coffee like Peet's and L'Or? Or are you more of a classic instant coffee drinker? On the surface, this is just another corporate merger. But under the hood, there's a lot going on. First, cost savings. Keurig expects to save $400 million within the next 3 years. That's massive, but they'll achieve this by streamlining their supply chain, integrating distribution networks, and cutting operational overhead. Second, market power. Together, their combined annual revenue from coffee alone is projected to hit $16 billion. Add $11 billion more from refreshment beverages, and suddenly, you have a global beverage powerhouse. But here's where I want your opinion. Do you think bigger companies are better for consumers because they drive innovation and lower prices? Or do they actually hurt competition and raise costs in the long run? Drop your thoughts in the comments. With this deal, Keurig isn't just buying JDE Peet's. They're declaring war against giants like Nestlé and Starbucks. Here's why. Nestlé dominates the instant coffee world with Nescafé and Nespresso. Starbucks rules the cafe experience and premium roasted coffee. Keurig plus JDE Peet's. They now have the scale, the brands, and the distribution muscle to compete head-to-head. This rivalry could shake up the $495 billion global coffee market. But here's the kicker. Coffee prices are already sky-high. Why? Climate change is hurting coffee crops in Brazil and Vietnam. US tariffs on Brazilian beans are pushing costs up. So even with more competition, don't expect your favorite latte to get cheaper anytime soon. What do you think? Will this coffee war bring better products and more choices? Or higher prices for consumers like us? This deal isn't just about coffee. It's about the global economy. 1. Consolidation of power. Big companies are getting bigger. Smaller coffee brands? They'll struggle to compete. For workers, this could mean job cuts in the short term as the companies seek efficiency. 2. Supply chain resilience. With climate change and trade tariffs, coffee supply chains are fragile. A bigger, more global player like Keurig plus JDE Peet's can diversify sources and reduce risk. 3. Investor opportunities. By splitting into 2 companies, Keurig is offering investors a clearer path. Want global coffee growth? Invest in the coffee spinoff? Prefer the non-coffee beverage market? Stick with the refreshment side. This separation could unlock billions in shareholder value. So why should you, as a consumer or investor, care about this $18 billion deal? Because what happens here affects all of us. Your morning coffee could get more expensive. Your investment portfolio might find new opportunities. And the way companies fight for your attention in the coffee aisle could completely change. This isn't just a merger, it's a restructuring of the global coffee industry. The Keurig Dr Pepper acquisition of JDE Peet's isn't just a business headline, it's a signal. A signal that the global coffee game is changing. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give this video a like, hit subscribe. and share it with someone who loves coffee as much as you do.